Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Check out these sick wheels on the Duramax donor truck for the Suburban swap. Right now, oh, Jake's taking off some of my rust. Watch yourself. That's nice rust right there. Anyway, we got this thing lifted up in the air. I'm gonna get under here, take the cab mount bolts out, or nuts, or whatever they are, and we're gonna zip all these out. I think there's 6 total, and then we'll lower this thing back down, put the lift on the cab, and see if we can get the cab off of this truck today. If we can do that, then we'll roll the frame out, do something with the cab, roll the frame back in, and then we will start working on pulling the engine and trans. So make sure you stay tuned. Right now, we're working on the LBZ donor truck. Hopefully this goes smooth. If not, you're here to see it. All right, we got the Milwaukee over here, and I got my little tiny battery on here. It is fully charged, but my big battery is in the truck, which I don't really feel like lowering this thing down right now. So let's see if this will do it. It's coming. There it is. This one over here is really big. What is that? Spinning in the frame? I think it's spinning in the cab. We're gonna have to get a sawzall or something. I don't know if these are gonna come out. Busted that weld nut and drive. Oh, that's awesome. This one's super bad. All right, so 3 of them came out. 3 of them I think we're gonna try to cut with a sawzall or something. All right, boys, the cab is off. Let's see what we're working with. We've got a lot of stuff going on right here. Doesn't look too bad though. I do want to take the bed off and take the sending unit out of the tank, but we'll do that in a minute. No, you're just gonna have to... Oh, crud!
Jake, what do you think about this?
This is a Dodge.
I wish this was a Dodge, Bailey. Rather this be a Dodge.
Wait, it came off the dollies?
Yeah, I did that a while ago.
Just let it keep
Oh.
going. It's got really smoked tires with this thing, didn't it? Ryan's degree finally paid off. He was
It
right.
did something.
I told you.
My calculations are correct. This thing
The cap mount gaskets.
Whoa, that's a real Dodge.
All right, Bailey, I think the key is gonna be just to rev it up and dump the clutch.
Oh, dude.
Don't bust the radio there.
Hold on.
No, just do it with the back.
Yeah, right there, but then give it a little bump. Oh, he's got to get a running start.
Really slow.
This is not gonna work. It's like he's like running into a brick wall, basically.
Oh, Jake, what if you could do
There you go, Bailey. Oh yeah. Give it a little bump. More speed, Bailey, more speed.
This is really interesting.
Yeah, there you go. All right, now hit it. Bailey, I just want to confirm with you, this is your daily driver, correct? Are those Busch Light cans on the floor in there?
No.
Huh. Well, that was cool. It's in, Bailey.
Push it, come on. You gotta make sure you push the
Bailey, quit jacking that.
Jacking it all the way. He knows what he's doing.
That thing's not moving.
That did.
No, that one over there on that side.
Watch out, we're going loony. All right, ready? Yeah. Good. How do you do it, Ryan?
Nice. All right.
Go. Turn me out, boys.
We gotta come this way.
We're going loony.
Did I hit something?
Sir, have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
All right, boys. We got the core support and all the associated stuff that goes with that. The TCM ECU still attached. Headlight harness, not gonna use, but had to take that out because I didn't want to fish it through all the core support stuff. But that goes along with the radiator, oil cooler, AC condenser, whatever all these are. So hopefully we can put that in the Suburban just like it is. And now all we are working with is the engine. I'm tripping over all kinds of stuff. The engine, trans, and T-case. Ryan got the front drive shaft unbolted from the front diff. We got the trans lines undone. We got a puddle of fluid, a little bit of trans fluid, a little bit of coolant. Probably don't want to mix those, but it's all good. We are plugging away on this thing. That's going to be all we have time for today. I think we're going to go get some food and call it a night on this. But we are very close to pulling the engine, trans, and T-case off of the frame, and then we'll get the front end stuff for the swap and probably rear end. We'll take a look at that in a different video. But make sure you stay tuned to Nasty Nate. We'll see you in the next one. We gotta come this way.
We're going loony.